Hello guys and welcome to our channel. I'm Serbian Cher and this is Australian future husband.
Ciao.
Reacting to super folk videos are extremely popular. On one of our videos we have up to 4K.
Yes! Thank you so much.
Thank you to all the negative and positive comments. We hear ya, we're here for you. So we're going to do another one. In this video we're going to react to a couple of Lepa Brena's songs. Lepa Brena is a star that needs no introduction. But also before we continue, this is my future husband and he doesn't speak any Serbian. He speaks some but not that many.
Ja pričam malo srpski.
Like that. He knows of Lepa Brena because I play her on the regular basis.
YUGOSLAVIAN CHER.
Like that, but he hasn't seen all the cold videos, so we're gonna go to some of them in this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, also like and subscribe and share and comment. Positive, negative comment, just, you know, nationalistic, my favorite ones. Please drop it in the comment section below. In front of every song we're gonna have a shot of Gorki list. You can't listen to Turbo Folk without
alcohol poisoning.
Without having, you know, a little bit something to light your, you know, blood. Alright, živeli.
It's like hot. Oh.
Alright, first song. His legs.
Look at it go. Is she like an actual like Yugoslavian sex symbol?
Yes, she is a Yugoslavian sex symbol, and
I mean,
everybody loves Lepa Brena, no matter from which country they are. They all know this song.
But how could you not? I mean, she's always 100%. Like, bam, there she goes.
She's actually from a movie.
Right, yeah, like that sort of like the scene at the end of the credits, everyone comes into the screen and starts dancing. Happy ending song.
The happy ending song, that is right. Look at this old lady with these big boobies.
Yes.
Proper Yugoslavian woman.
And then even the kids are dancing, I love it.
This is a very happy song, and she pretty much says, my mum would keep me away from you because she was right. And she says that in a very happy manner.
Makes sense.
I'm gonna do another shot.
Jesus.
That is right. That's how you listen to Turbo folk music.
Oh,
with alcohol.
Oh, moj bog.
Shot. Živeli. Playing some games.
What did that say? Oh, Brena.
Brena.
Her face.
She's in shock. She's a video character. So this is perfect because you can see how to say start. It says Poji. It's educational. Jumping on a scooter.
Hit that joystick.
SANJAM. Those are some nice Yugoslavian men there. Coincidentally all shaped like Johnny Bravo. But
yes!
That was the fashion time of the time.
I'm not a fan of this song.
Right.
The video is epic, but I'm not a fan of this song.
It's the best. Look. Up. Got it. Lepa Brena videos are also educational videos where an English-speaking person can learn Serbian.
Živeli moj.
Živeli.
Like already?
She's like, you are my sin. That's the name of the song. Very dramatic.
Hey! She like belly dance like in like all the regalia?
I don't think she's belly dancing. She's sitting on a throne with Boško Kovačić. That's like a famous model / news reporter / whatever. Everybody knows Boško.
I like this one. It grabs me. The rhythm and the Middle Eastern rhythms.
Oh wait, I think that the Lepa Brena is actually dancing. Oh, I remember this man. He was like everywhere on the news when I was like a child, like a famous man who could like swallow fire. Look, he's swallowing fire. How does he do that?
His face, he's like. That's the best.
Julie. You look at me in my eyes when you do that.
Could tease you.
I haven't.
Instant classic.
This is a song where she's talking about her legs. She says she has long legs.
Shorts, Jesus. With the cool does off, wouldn't you? The sound like when you pull them off. Get it right.
No.
Who is this woman? Are you even Serbian?
I don't know. I am 100%.
I don't know. I'm missing out words in Lepa Brena. That kind of seems a bit sacrilegious to me.
So which song did you go to most?
The third one. The third one.
The third song?
Not the video game one, the one after that. The Indian reasons. The Middle Eastern reasons.
Egyptian rhythm?
Egyptian reasons.
Reasons?
Reasons.
Reasons?
Reasons.
Okay. Egyptian reasons. Alright guys, which Lepa Brena song is your favorite song? If you don't know who Lepa Brena is, you should definitely check her out. She's like a famous Yugoslavian star who still unites the people. So nobody cares, you know, which nationality they are. Bosnian, Croatian, Serbian, doesn't matter. They all love Lepa Brena. Lepa Brena for president.
How could you not love her? Seriously. Best.
She's a queen. She's a Serbian Beyonce. No, wait.
Oh, she's like a Serbian...
Cher. She's like a Serbian Cher.
Okay. Yeah,
that's like
I can see that.
Same era.
Yeah,
and
I
they're
can
both
see
very
that.
tall.
She's tall.
Lepa Brena is like 2 meters tall.
Oh, really? Wow.
Well, I don't know. Let me just see. Lepa Brena is Lepa Brena. She's 1.79 meters.
5'10", so she's taller than me. Jesus.
She's a very tall lady. And with that, we're gonna leave you be. So which song of Lepa Brena did you like the most? And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. We post videos every Sunday or sometimes Monday and sometimes Wednesday on very rare occasions. But you will have a video.
Mostly Sundays.
Mostly Sundays. But you will have a video a week where we do fun stuff and stuff like this. So if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe.
Hvala puno, ciao, vidimo se. Volite.